had in-service days, but it was where they would put like 25 or 30 of us in a room, and there was one poor person who was trying to teach us, and I didn't even know how to turn anything on. And these other folks who had grown up with it were, you know, zipping right, so I got kind of lost along the way, and it was nobody's fault. It was just, I hadn't grown up with any of it, and there were too many people for them to handle at one time. So I think they see a lot of advantages to it. I think they enjoy it. There are so many facets of it. They can collaborate, they can share things with one another. You know, you can share one thing between one Chromebook and send it to another student to look at on their Chromebook. It's never ending, and I certainly don't know everything, that's for sure. But with the help of these folks, I'm able to learn more each year, and that's just my goal, to keep learning each year what I can do and what I can bring in for them. So they are priceless to what we do here. I can't tell you enough, because had they not been here to help me, I don't know where I would be. I really don't. I really feel that I would be far, far behind where I am working with my students, because they brought me the technology. So.